I imagine it's down low enough. Shallow little pan though, ain't it?
Now new tranny's back up in there. It ain't bad. A little while. I'll get all the exhaust put back on over the weekend, a couple things put back on, and we're all out of here. Alright, here we are on the Dodge truck, and I just wanted to get the exhaust welded in real quick. Me and the guys put the tranny in Friday evening, and it's just Sunday. I figured we'd run up here and weld a couple things. Took care of this and the Mustang and a couple other things. And me and George are going to run down to the dump and flea market and get some lunch, and just want to knock out a couple things. Just re-welded these pieces back in where we cut the wide pipe out. All of it back together. All right.
Well, we're working on the 57 farm truck. Transmission's in. Already got the starter in. I'm just doing the final tightening down of the starter bolts. Got all the linkages connected. Got all the cables and hoses put in. Getting ready to add the fluids here in a little bit and start it up and do the final adjustment on the transmission.
Alright, been going around the truck. He's been greasing everything, ran the tranny, run everything, getting ready to pull her down off of here. Got everything fitted and working. And just going around greasing all the fittings, getting everything lubed up and taking care of that way. And I'll pull her down and drive her out of here a little bit. And I was in there taking a shifter out because I got him ripping out all that wool insulation. No matter what we've done, we've cleaned and everything, that stuff stinks. It smells like an old person's sweaty balls.
Oh man.
It just stinks. It shouldn't be in there.
It's pretty bad smelling.
Can't really smell any
It's-
of it though.
it's
It
this-
doesn't smell like a pig fire.
This
It sounds
insulation
like
has
Yeah.
retained moisture over the years.
It might have rotten oyster smell too.
It does kind of have an oyster smell to it, but it's retained moisture over the years, and it just
From Pablo sweating.
It constantly smells.
Who's Pablo?
So we're gonna rip it out. No more smelly.
Okay.
What are you doing there, Mark?
All clean and making this stinky seat a little better looking. We should get into it. It's all wiped now.
What are you cleaning it
I've
with?
cleaned it all to this side here. Actually, I cleaned it with purple powder, alcohol, and plastic cleaner, and then I'm gonna be going over it with vinyl cleaner.
So it was this dirty,
Yeah, it's that dirty.
and then
It's pretty
it
thick.
came this clean with purple powder. Did you use bleach?
No, I didn't use bleach. I used plastic and rubber cleaner.
Oh, 103. Is it leather or vinyl?
It's leather,
Pleather.
plastic leather that sparkles. It's got like pleather look.
It's got pearl in it.
It's got pearl in it.
Hmm.
Man, it's perfect. It's a woman's truck, man. You gotta have a little glitter. What, you gonna get in there, Bob?
Bob's like, it's clean now.
I'm not allowed to touch that, man. Why are you putting me over here?
Man.
I don't need to touch that. It's clean. This takes a good So it's vacuuming all that, getting all that out from underneath the seat and behind it. It's just looks like some chipmunks had a house on. There's the old wedding truck. We've gotten a few more things done. The wiper's been all rebuilt and new gear, blades, everything, arms and all, and got it all working finally. So she'll be able to drive with it. Buttoning up all the wiring in the dash, and he's got a few things left to put back together there, and a couple things with the mirrors, and that's about it. I'll show you the other things going on as we get to them.
What I'm working on now, I've had lights apart. We got new lenses to go in, to put them in. So when we took the lights out to get it painted, I'm just putting the bulbs in, got it wired all together, getting ready to just test it and make sure everything is working good. Got to turn the turn signals on because it's a turn signal indicator. Can look in here, walk up here and look in the drawer of what's been done on the dash today. We've got the instrument panel all back in. The speedo drive is connected all the way down to the transmission. Glove box is in. Cover tray here is in. So all the dash is finished and ready to go. That's what it looks like. So we'll get that fixed up tomorrow and just get finished up with it. It's looking pretty good.
Okay.
We also, are you still on?
Yeah.
Okay. We also finished up today on the windshield wipers. Got the windshield wiper arms and the blades, everything put on and they're timed properly so when it goes back and forth, they sit down like they're supposed to and look good against the bottom of the windshield. That's it.
Well, I'll clean a few things up, getting the leaf springs fitted in. This one we've already put in. And switched out the, it's a Mercury Ford wagon. Okay. She didn't know what it was then.
This all changes around. Maybe she don't know what.
She doesn't. She bought it from family because,
Family promised to help her?
yeah, and it was good. It's a cool car, but
Now it's even getting worse, worth less money.
yeah, it's a different. Alright, this is the other leaf spring getting ready to go in. I had to clean some things up and smooth some things out. Bitch trying to get all the bolts out, and then we had to take all the other leaf springs over and torch the heads and everything out of all of it. So, trying to get it in. Let me get back to it. I'm cleaning this side, getting all the glue off where the old glue was hanging down. Greg's cutting all the fittings and everything for putting in the rubber mat and the insulation. And I cut aluminum strips to go here to sit down for the sill plate, and I don't know if it's sitting on that side or not, and then I'll show you when we're done. I'm trying to scrub off all the old glue so you won't see it when you open up the door. And the glue where the rubber mat goes, I want to be able to glue it down so it doesn't come up. Got 90% of all the smell out of the car, a lot of cleaning. It's got that rotten mold smell going.
All right, go video.
Go ahead and glue this in place. Not yet. You want to, this is all we're going to do is just peel it back.
Yeah.
And then let you glue it and then stick it down once we've got it for sure.
Putting that in, I'm going to take this off. Sill plate's all drilled and marked. I'm going to remount the second hole and then put them.
Are you drilling a hole or?
Well, what I'm doing is I'm mounting the dimmer switch. old style dimmer switch on the floor instead of in the steering column.
Let go. I just want to get out of here. Putting adhesive down to glue the... it's fuming. Hold on. Damn. There we go. Yeah, that race will get all the pins. Alright, put that down, the glue. The glue all the mat down. Sorry, it's all fuming. All over this to glue it down. And I don't want to spray it all in here because you just drill it all over it. Just rub it around a little bit. So it's all glued down.
Alright, put it down.
Stop.
Oh, we're just trying to get it all fitted in place. The rubber mat. We punched out all the holes and measured everything. And setting it in place. All the jute mat and everything has been glued in, and